Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make my chicken alaki. It's a different way. I know a lot of people cook a different way, so this is also my way. Anyway, so I have 2 cups of chicken breast that's already cooked. You can buy any grocery stores already cooked, like roasted chicken, or you can cook also chicken breast, like two or three chicken breast. You boil it and then you shredded it. Anyway, so I used heavy cream, a cup of heavy cream, green peas, bell peppers, and I have also white wine and lemon juice, dried tomatoes, and those parsley and green onions. And I have this sliced bread that I can use it later. I don't know if you can see it, it's all the way in the back. And we're gonna need a muffin pan that after we cook, we bake it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, what we're going to do, we trim the bread with the brown part. Okay, now the bread is already done cutting the edge. There you go. So let's start cooking the food, the chicken. Okay, let's add butter there. And let's go ahead and drop the garlic until light brown. Now let's add the onion. And now let's add the chicken. Just let it cook like 3 minutes there. Now let's add the bell peppers. Just cook it like 3 more minutes. And let's add the black peppers. I forgot to mention that we have cornstarch, just one teaspoon of cornstarch, and put a little water on it. Just mix it well until the meat will get like a little bit sticky. Add the green onions and the parsley. I almost forget. And mix it up and just let it cool down, and we put it on the bread. Now you can turn off your heat. Okie dokie. Okay, what we're going to do is do like this. I think I have a big muffin thing. Now we start putting the chicken on top. Let me put 2 tablespoons of each. Or I don't know, maybe 1 tablespoon. Depends how big is the bread. Some of them are smaller. Just fill it up until like all the way in the top. Not really top. I remember this, the last time I cooked this like not few years, a long time ago. I think like 20 years ago. Yeah, that's right. That was 20 years ago, last time I cooked this. Wow, that's a very long time. I call this a muffin chicken a la king. Oops, I dropped some there. Again. And you can also use this one like a sandwich, whatever you have left over. Well, I have only a little left, so I just will fill it up all the way. The 3 cups, you make 12 pieces. You can make 12 pieces on the 3 cups of chicken breast on this recipe. There you go. It sounds needs more. I just fill it up on there. While you're doing this, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And we'll bake this one like 10 to 15 minutes or until that get brown, light brown the bread on top. Oops! My tummy is complaining. I haven't eaten yet. I'll wait for this. This is for my lunch. So what I do, I flatten there on top a little bit. And we put parsley on top. And paprika. This is good for like if you have a party, appetizer. And also, you can also use this one for a light dinner. My paprika won't come out. There you go. Alright. Let's bake this one for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright everyone, here's my muffin chicken a la king. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Also, you can share my videos to your friends and your family. Trust me, all my food is good and healthy. A little bit healthy. Most of them are healthy. Okay, see ya.